Okay, so I'm reviewing this sound machine here, which also has, it's like a nightlight kind of a kind of thing. And so you can make it brighter and lighter. And you can change the colors on it. Oops, let's see. Is it this one? Yep. So you can have different colors. And then, so you've got all these different sounds. You have like fan noises here. And if you continue to tap the same button, it's got different fan noises. So you've also got this kind of white noise. I really like this forest one. And so if you change it, you have different noises. There's one with owls, which is cool. You've got some sort of a creek. Crickets. You have the ocean, so different water noises, which is really awesome. Some seagulls. And then you've got rain. There's even one that's got thunder. There we go. There's the thunder. There's this one right here, which is kind of like a heartbeat. But it also has a really cool whale right here, which I think is awesome. So this has lots of options, way more than I thought, because I was just hitting each button and I didn't realize it was changing it until my husband showed me. Great thing for your kids' room. Very nice if you like white noise. I think this is a great item.